So guys, you've joined me today on a new video, and the video today is the Steve Hamilton TPC tour, where we take people around on the minibus around a few of our properties, about 6 to 8 that we've got renovations going on or we've just bought. We talk people through what we're going to do, show them what we do, talk about the numbers, so it shows people a real insight into what we do. I think it's really important, and like I say, practice what you preach. So important. This was the first one. This was the shop that we got, £66,500. End value is about 150 maybe. The renovations have started, so go inside, take a look, and I'll catch up with you guys throughout each property.
Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above, looking back on it all.
Guys, a deal sourcing hub, and I went on Rightmove, and this shop was a dog groomer's, and it was up for 115,000. So Nick bought Max around here. Me and Isabella stayed on that street there, talking to the builder, and Max come back outside, and he was like, "Steve, where are you?" I said, "I'll walk round here," because it was only like a couple of weeks ago, and I walked round here, and he was like, "Oh, I've met the owners. The owners are in the shop," and I was like, "Can we get a deal done today? I want to buy this shop. I want this shop because it's huge, obviously, as you can see." And he went back inside and he was like, "Steve's outside. He wants to buy it now." And I was like, "Well, we paid 65 grand for it." So, and you know when you could hear in someone's voice that they just wanted the money back. So I was like, "Well, we'll give you that and we'll pay your solicitor's fees." Because this was kitted out. This was. So we've ripped this out actually last week. Rob, where's Rob? Sorry, Rob. Rob, you bought a team up the other day, didn't you? We had the skip and he ripped it all out. This shop's worth about 150k when it's done out, when it's kitted out. It's worth 150. I paid 66.5 for it with solicitors, and that's a lie. I paid 70 grand for it with solicitors and their fees and our fees. It's going to cost me 15 grand to get done to an unbelievable standard. That's 85 grand, and if I revalue it at 150, the bank will give me 120, and it's only cost me 85 grand. One other thing as well, guys, it was up for 115 grand in COVID, you know, where the prices are crazy, but we got to speak straight to the owner, direct to vendor. So when we got to speak to the owner, you get to know what they want, what their thought process is, and like I said, when the woman was like 65 grand, we paid for it, I could see she just wanted her money back because her and her husband wanted to go, and they had all the money tied up in this, and we got the keys in 10 days. It was up for sale for it's been sold for 225 or something like that. And I was like, "Okay, will you take 100 grand? And he started laughing. I said, "Will you take 105? 103, that's what I said, 103. And he was like, "Mate, they're never going to accept 103 grand. I was like, "Oh, all right, okay. I'm still paying 135 for this house. I'm buying it no matter what's happening." So guys, we're here in one of our properties, and this has come through the door. So if you are part of the circle and you've been to one of our masterclasses, you know how much I talk about direct to vendor marketing. This is key. So this has come through the door today. Dear homeowner, I am a local property buyer who is looking to buy property in this area. If you are considering selling your property or know of anyone selling, then please feel free to get in touch and have a chat. I am not an agent, so there's no fees to pay. And then it goes on and on and on. Person's name, mobile number. It looks like it's a handwritten letter. It's actually a handwritten letter that's been photocopied. So I believe this person has posted it through as many doors as they can, but that is really smart. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to call him at the next property, have a chat with him, because his name's Jonathan, and I'm going to see if he gets any results and then I'm going to tell him that I will buy the houses, or he can add me to his investor list. So this could be a blessing in disguise, so let's see.
He's actually a property circle member.
Jonathan, I know all the property circle members. It's definitely not a Jonathan in there. Going to be interesting. Keep watching. Oh, sorry, I'm getting too close, aren't I?
Nah.
So here's one. This is another 3-bedroom. This is in Wales, this one. So this house, I own this one, I own the one 2 doors up, so is this number 12? Rob, what number is this? 6, I own 10 and 12, so I own 3 on this road, and I paid 100 grand for this or something. No, it's nothing to do with the relationship with the, well it is, I do have a lot of relationships with agents, it's just that people know I'm serious. So guys, TPC tour, this is property number 3. And there's a video on this on our YouTube channel, it'll be up here in the link or in the description. Am's where you're gonna put it, do you know? Yep, Am's is touching there. So the reason that we haven't done any refurbs at the moment is because building materials are absolutely crazy, and I cannot bring myself to be paying 7 to 10 grand over what I estimated when I bought some of these houses. I'm not prepared to pay that kind of money at the moment, and I'm pissed. You should like this one.
TPC tour type reel for this one.
TPC tour type reel and that.
Steve's
Drop
tour,
the things.
yeah.
Okay. We're here, 15 bedrooms, Hornby Road. No clue what we're doing with it. That's a lie actually, I am doing something with it. Let's see their reactions. Get their reactions, because this is going to be interesting actually. The one out is a 9-bedroom, it sold for 400k about 4 months ago. So I literally told the lads, down tools, let me sit on this one for a bit and think about what I want to do, because I paid 143 grand for it. 143? Yeah, and is everyone here? Shall I tell you the story? Leak, builder can't sort it, there's no builders about. Can you get a roofer done? And he was like, what's the budget, Steve? I said, whatever it costs. There's the keys, just get the roof fixed. So, about 4 days had gone past, he comes into my office and he's got a piece of paper and he's like, oh Steve, can you transfer the roof for 600 quid? And I'm like, yeah. And I'm like, give me the details. And I went, what roofer? He went, Hornby Road. I said, 600 quid? He went, yeah, it's all fixed, it's all done. Your builder Mark's been, leak stopped, he's had a drone up there, it's all done. I said, 600 quid? I went, the scaffolding's 3 grand. He was like, oh, I found this Irish geezer called Jimmy. And he climbed out the window,
You're kidding.
shuffled across on the things that you can see were bent down, climbed on the roof, got one of his mates to get this wire, like rope, pulled it all up, fixed the whole of my roof, brand new tiles, brand new, what's it called, leading, done the whole thing. If I'd have known he was doing that, obviously I would have genuinely, that even for like money, I'd have gone, no, don't climb out that window, because if you fall and die, I'm in the shit. But the plans. Yeah, I'll put the plans in the group chat so you can see what they're like. So, yeah, so that's downstairs. So this was, so what happened with this is each flat will be worth about 80k, 70 to 80k. So next door there's a house like just round the corner, 2 doors, and the person split it into a 1-bed flat upstairs, 1-bed flat downstairs, and he's done it at 60k and 60k. Put them up and they're both sold, 120k. This is a 2, 2 and a 2. So these will get between 70 and 80 grand. Might get a bit more actually depending on the finish. And the end value will be 210 to 250. So it's still a good, it's a great deal really. Again, this is why we do these tours. So people can actually physically see what we do on a day-to-day basis, because if you look at other educators, there's no one doing this. No one does this. Takes people around to what they own. And I think it just gives people like confidence to do it. Hopefully it gives people confidence to do it. Last house of the TPC tour, and guys, I put this TPC tour on and it's an expense to us because it costs us about £400, £500 to take 13, 14 people out. The reason we do it is because I want to show you guys that we own all our houses. We show the houses that we source for the TPC members, like this one for Matt Cox. We take people around, we show them what we look for in houses, we show them like what we're going to do to add value to houses. We talk about why we bought that certain house, and the fact that people are coming in person to see the properties with us standing there, showing them what we're doing, it gives people confidence. Other educators out there don't do this. I don't know anybody that does this. And I wish more educators would do this because it would put more confidence back into the sector that's kind of being ripped apart. The reason that we do it is because, again, it shows confidence. It brings people along and they're like, oh my God, if you can do it, I can do it, which if I can do it, anybody can. So it would be good if you guys at home wanted to do this as well and wanted to come out with us once a month, 14 people. Sign up. If you want to come on the TPC tour, leave your details below and then join us. Come around with us, we'll show you different properties, we'll go to different areas. It's a full day and you can learn, guys, and hopefully you get inspired by what I show you as well. Check 1 2 1 2 3 5 7 9. It's back. Guys, it's Sunday the 3rd of October. It's 7:20. We have just got back from the tour. We had 12 people, really good feedback. It's been such a good day. I think the knowledge that they've gained from this tour today has been incredible. We have some footage, hopefully, that Ams has got that he can show some of the feedback that was given by the people. But I do this for free. If you guys out there want to come on one of these tours with me, there's a link in the description below. Put your name in there, send your details in, and I'm gonna set them up now fortnightly. I'm gonna do one every 2 weeks. But Ams is looking very scared behind the camera there. Take advantage, see what I do, see my properties, look around like my renovations and learn from me. So you need to become a member of the Property Circle, guys. You need to join either my BRRR class, my Property Masterclass, or my Deal Sourcing Masterclass, or even all three, depending on which way you want to go in property. So all the links are in the description below. Do not miss the opportunity to be a Property Circle member. We're growing at a rate that's incredible. We've got 150 members in 7 months. We're going to take over. So guys, signing out on another video and I will catch you next time.
Hey everyone, my name's Zebra. I'm based in Birmingham and I've come today with Steve and the whole Property Circle because I basically want to better myself. I want to learn more about property. I just want to be successful and no better place to come than Property Circle. But today so far it's been absolutely amazing. I've learned so much from all the guys, gone on property viewings and it's been fantastic. So I can't thank them enough, and if you'd like to get to know more as well, just get in touch with Steve, get in touch with the Property Circle guys, and you'll do well as well. Thanks.
You did fantastic
That was terrible.
Come on. Hi everyone, my name is Mateen. I've come all the way from London this morning to the Property Circle. Steve's taking us on a property tour today to Blackpool and Fleetwood, showing us a lot of properties that's actually working on. Told us how he's got the deals, how much we spending on refurbishments and what we'll be getting for the GDV, that's the end value. It's been so informative, very knowledgeable, and I'm so inspired. Today I went to a house with 40 rooms. I never been to a house that big before in my whole life. So now I believe I can actually do it because obviously I feel like I can relate to Steve on a level. And then I've been out here obviously looking for proper coaches and obviously like all this and all this classes and obviously like coaching for proper people. But I've never met nobody as honest and humble as Steve before, and I'm definitely looking forward to my next chapter, and I'm gonna like take on the property 10. So yeah, check it out.
What? Hi, I'm Connor. I'm based in Birmingham. I've been out here today with the Property Circle, viewing some of Steve's projects. Fuck's sake. So we've been viewing some of Steve's current projects. It's great to see firsthand, you know, how he finds these deals, what's going on with these deals, you know, how long the property's been sitting there. I don't know, best opinion.
I'll ask you a question and you speak to me.
All right,
Don't look at
let's
the
go
camera.
then.
So what did you think of today, Connor?
Today was unreal. Massive value. Stop. Oh, I can't do it now. I can't do it now. Stop. You've done me now, man. No. Fuck.